Boom. I got the power. I'm messing with you. This is Matthew K, and this is my Survival Island series. Okay, I've made a couple of changes in the 3 days I wasn't online. I got rid of the big, dirty, hairy, dirty thing, and I replaced it with a fashionable walkway. Dun, dun, dun. I also made a potion brewing room, which I've made a couple of potions as well, which I'm not going to get into that. But a couple more things that I had done. I started a new mine. Oh yeah, I also have diamond equipment and a diamond chest plate. Earth protection 3. Now all over here. Oh my god. All over here. Chicky farm. Come on, Chicky. There's my mine. It goes around and round and round and round and round again. Now over here, I have more stuff. See, I took a break and because of the death, recent death in my family, which is bad. But, sorry, my finger covered the camera because I'm trying to get straight. Okay, that'll stay in place. Note over here, I have 10,000 piglets. I am your god. Fear me. Okay. And all over here, inside the house, I replaced all the torches with glowstone. Inside this chest. Crouched. Yeah. Teabag this ghost and now my sulfur's mine. I'm messing with you. And inside this chest is my Enderman propel kit. I've got a bow. I've got an enchanty sword. I've got diamond equipment, which I'm going to enchant. I have 10,000 arrows. Over here, I have... Oh, wrong. I keep going to that chest by accident. Tons of diamonds. Diamonds. Now, if you deny that I am... Oh, camera fell. Camera fell! Yeah, I know. I moved the enchantment table, which was over here. Put a for wheat farm. But now the enchantment table is up there. Now, time to go to the mine to show you what I've been doing. Going to take me forever. Look. The deep, dark abyss of terror. Trying to keep the camera straight. Deep, dark abyss of terror. Come with me. Okay. Now, I was going to be doing the shoutouts, but the shoutouts I'm going to wait to do till tomorrow, Thursday. So far, I've got Outrageous Tomb 1. He didn't want one. I just decided to do it for him. Since his channel's small and he's a buddy of mine. There's... forgot the names. I've written every name who asked for a shoutout. I'm writing on a piece of paper. I'm going to check out their channel and say what they've been doing. And, oh yeah, over here, I pulled out tons of diamonds. I mean, like, I've been... Look how far back that one goes. Okay, time to get out of this deep, dark abyss. I put signs to tell me what levels I'm at. Right now, I'm at level 12, and down there is level 4. And I've mainly been doing this. And, oh yeah, the sign right here tells me that I'm at Diamond Territory. 17 through 12. And basically everything past 17 is Diamond Territory. Diamonds. Okay, I gotta stop saying diamond. Okay, going back up to the surface where I can beast mode. So far, no more mobs have been spawning, which means I have to go to mainland if I want to fight. I haven't gotten any ender pearls yet, but I have a whole bunch of blaze rod and blaze powder, which I had a whole bunch. Cool. Okay, going back up. Maximum smelting room. Bedroom. Enchantment room. And now, screenshot view. Watch this. You know what? My next episode, I'm going to start like this. Pause it. And then I'm going to go down, like, start to feel like, oh my god, I'm going to die. But I don't. Because I'm a ninja. So, if you think I'm a ninja, write in the comments below. But I am a ninja. Now, I'm sorry I did all this away from the camera. I know this was a short video. But I'm going to be uploading a full one either tonight or tomorrow, so wait for that one, and goodbye.